Hello viewers, you are all welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon to everyone, good morning, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. I hope we all are doing very okay today. And if this is your first time of being on this channel, thank you for stopping by. You are highly welcome. I really appreciate you for stopping by. On this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual ways of life, how to use natural ingredients that God has created to help yourself spiritually. Please, if you love my teachings, please kindly subscribe by your right hand side. Turn on the notification bell, like my videos, comment on the comment section, share my channel, invite your family and your friends to join us on this channel. And for my returning subscribers, I want to thank you so much. May God bless you. May God see you through in your endeavors. And please, if you have any question, kindly go to my YouTube channel. You will see my WhatsApp number. Write me on WhatsApp. Ask me question. I am open to communication. In today's teaching, I am going to be teaching you on coconut water and honey. How you can use these natural resources that God has created to liberate yourself. But before I go on with my teachings, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Brother Chima Prince Martha Williams. I am the bona fide founder of Chima's Natural Herbal Home. But right now, I am not here to advertise my product. Rather, I am here to upgrade you. I am here to update you. But if you ever need help from me, I am open to communication. Ask me whatsoever you like. Write me on my WhatsApp number and I will answer you. As water inside the coconut remains a mystery, so shall your success remains mystery to your mockers, and you shall fulfill your destiny on earth. If you are here, you find it difficult to save money. You find it difficult for money to last in your hand. Or maybe you are working and you are struggling for nothing. Or in your marketplace, you are a person that is watching me now and you make a good sales each time you go to the market. But when you count your money, it's as if your money is missing or disappearing. Or maybe you are somebody watching me as I am online. You are finding it difficult to feed. You feed from hand to mouth. I have come to teach you and to waken up the lions in you. Today's teaching is not for the sheep. Rather, it's for the lions. Like as I normally said, I am a great man with a great destiny, and I am created by God. And I am here to see that you have breakthrough in whatever you are doing. Maybe you are into sales. You receive money, but it doesn't last in your hand. Some people receive their salary before 2-3 days. They won't give account of what they have done with their salary. Now, we are going to do it practical today. It is very simple. All you need to do is to do it with faith, because faith without work is a dead one. And according to the word of God, he said, I have given you powers to trample against lions and scorpions. God has given us power. As our faces are different, so our problems are different. So our mindset are different. So you don't know who your enemies are. But this afternoon, if you are here, you find it difficult to save money, or when you make sales, you can't give account of your sales. It's as if there has been a spirit or an evil energy that has been sucking out the money from your hand. Now this afternoon, I am going to tell you and leak the secret that you need to know and things that you need to do for money to be staying around you, for money to be your servant, not for you being the servant of money. First and foremost, if you are here, you experience hard luck or bad luck, or you have a hot hand, money doesn't last in your hand. What you are going to do for me is very simple. Bring up a pieces of coconut, depending on how or the quality or the quantity you want your science to be. Bring a piece of nail, open it with the piece of nail, open the coconut like I'm doing it. Why I'm doing it this way? You don't have to break it, because when you break it, you will lose all the water in the coconut. So you find a sharp object. Look at this coconut. It has 3 eyes. You are going to use nail to open one of the eyes and bring out the waters of the coconut. Pour it into a glass cup. The water is not coming out yet. Coconut of these days, you only get little waters inside of it. Pour the water inside the cup. As I'm doing it, I just got little water of coconut on this. Then, bring up your original honey. Your honey must be original. Take 1 spoon of honey, depending on the quality of the coconut water inside your glass cup. Or you take 2, depending on the quality of the coconut water inside your glass. Then mix the water of the coconut together with your honey. After mixing it, what I am doing, I am mixing the coconut water with my honey. You have to mix it very well. Now, this is it. What are you going to do with it? You find a small container. I'll be right back. Hold on a minute. I am here. Turn it into a container. This is coconut water and honey. I have mixed the both. And how can you use it to stop your money from missing? How can you use it for money to be lasting in your hand? Whenever you wake up in the morning, after praying, after taking your bath, and you are ready to go to your business, or you are ready to go to your work, after rubbing your cream, bring a drop of it, put it in your palm, pass a decree. You know what you are going through. You know what has been disturbing you. You know how money works for you. Make a decree, pray over it, rub it on your hand. If possible, you can also rub it on your forehead and face. And you go to your business. Do it more often. Do it. Use it on daily basis. And you will see that evil that has been extracting money from your hand, that has been making you to struggle, that thing, that spiritual energy that won't let money to last in your hand will disappear. Do this and give me your testimony. I am still going to tell you about coconut, because coconut water and honey has 1,100 jobs they do in human's life. And when you're talking about spiritual, coconut water brings spiritual growth. And also, eating it every day, especially those who has children that are dull brain, or those who have children that is hard for them to remember what their teacher has taught them in school, or those of us who has forgetful memory, you can be drinking coconut water every day, depending on how often you get it in your environment. It is good to revive the brain of that child, the brain of that man that has been forgotten things. Drink coconut water and it will help you spiritually. I'm going to give you another example. If you are also watching me, depending on where you are watching me from, and someone has cast a spell on you, and the spell always consistent, you have headache or head chafe, what can you do with coconut water to stop that evil spell that man or that woman has cast on you? You have to take a spiritual bath with 4 pieces of coconut. Pray with it and pour the water inside a normal bathing water. Mix it together and bath with it. This will stop every evil spell or consistent head chafe in your life. As you do this, may Chukwu Okike Obiama bless you and help you. May He see you through in anything you are doing. That business that you have not been seeing money from it. After doing this spiritual ritual, as I have taught you on here, that business, when you make your sales, you are going to see your money. And please, I am going to come to the end of this video. I still have a lot to teach you people about coconut water and honey. But for now, I'll be coming to the end of this video. Kindly share my channel, like my videos, comment on the comment section, And please, don't fail to subscribe by your right hand side and press the notification button so that whenever I'm online next time doing a video, you are going to be the first to be notified. May you have a great day, and may Chukwu Obiama see you through in whatsoever you are doing.